of you are welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Math Success Point. And already I discussed with you some definitions regarding the empty set, finite set, infinite set and equal sets. Today we shall discuss the questions on depend upon these definitions from the exercise 1.2 of NCERT book. Very important questions I will discuss, but before starting the solution of the question, it is my request to all of you, you like my channel, share my channel and press the icon so that my each and every video will reach to you and you will be benefited. It will be convenient for you to be a good one in mathematics, okay, and share my videos so that your friends will also be benefited, okay. Now let us take the question number 1. Very important question. You must have to give the solution of this question. Which of the following are examples of the null set? Only you must have to give the examples of the null set. Which are null set and which are not null set? Actually, the questions regarding the null set or empty set, finite set, infinite set and equal sets. Along with the questions I explain in detail, you can see in my previous videos, okay. Now today we will discuss the exercise. Here it is given set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. What are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are divisible by 2? No, these are not divisible by 2. Then what does it mean? Means first set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2, it is a null set, because this is not true, okay. Null set, there will not be any element. Next, second, set of even prime number. Yes, 2 is the even prime number. It is not a null set. It will not be a null set. Now, third part of it, x, such that x is a natural number. You see, this one also. You see clearly, third part. Third part it is given. I will solve it. X is given less than 5 and what is that? X is greater than 7. What will be the common number in this set? Because here it is given set. X such that x. This is the given thing. X is a natural number. X, that is the natural number. Less than 5, greater than 7. Tell me, what are the natural numbers? Under this condition, there is no natural number. Then what does it mean? It will be an empty set. Third part is also the empty set. Okay. You see the fourth part. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. What does it mean? Parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Tell me how many common points will be there. There is no common point. There will not be any common point. That is why it is also null set. Okay, I think you understand the reason of the solution of the question number 1. Let me take question number 2. Question you see in your book, because if I will write the question first, then I will give you the answer. It will take a lot of time. Okay. That is why question number 2, you see, which of the following sets are finite and infinite? I told you already in detail. That is why, see, first part of it. Question number 2, first part it is given. What will be the first part? The set of all months of a year. Yes, it is a finite. It is a finite. Finite. Because you can write inside the bracket. What? What are the things you can write? It will be x such that x is a what? Set of months in a year. You can actually close it inside the braces. That is why it is a finite set. Okay. First is finite. Second, you see second. Second, it is given second set. What is given? 1, 2, 3 and so on. My dear student, I repeatedly told you that you must have to put only the 3 dots. It will indicate to the infinite condition. Okay, if you are going to put the more and more dots, mathematically that is wrong. Even though in the examination, if properly the copy will be evaluated, then marks will be deducted. That is why be careful regarding that one. It is infinite. Infinite set. Now let me take next, third part of it. Third part you see. That is why you see the detail. I am discussing each and every question. It is 1, 2, 3. And next, dot, dot, dot. 99 and 100. I think it is finite because all the elements is finite. All the elements are enclosed inside the brass. That is why it is finite set. Okay. Next, fourth part, set of all positive integers greater than 100. Greater than 100. My dear student, how many integers will be there greater than 100? 100, 102, dot, dot, dot. We don't know how many integers will be there. That is why fourth part is infinite. Infinite set. It will be infinite. Infinite. Fourth part will be infinite. Okay? And you see the fifth part of it. Fifth part, the set of prime numbers less than 99. Yes, it is finite. Fifth part, finite. It is finite because here it is given set of prime numbers less than 99. 2, 3, 5, less than 99. You can count and you can enclose inside the braces. That is why it is the set of finite. Then question number 3, my dear student, you must see the question number 3 and its solution, which is also important. And by discussing these questions, all definitions and all concepts will be clear regarding the sets to you. That is why I am discussing each and every question. See carefully, try to understand. Okay, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Same thing you are going to discuss. Okay, the set of all lines which are parallel to x-axis. Okay, let me take x-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. How many lines may be there which will be parallel to x-axis? How many lines you can draw? Up to infinite. We don't know how many lines will be parallel to x-axis. That is why it is what kind of set? First is that is a infinite set. First number 1. Question number what? 3. Second part, you see. Second part. What will be the second part? The set of letters in the English alphabet. You know how many alphabets are there in the English. Okay. That is why it is clear to you that is a finite set. All the letters you can enclose inside the braces. Now third part, set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Set of numbers which are multiple of 5. How many numbers will be there which will be multiple of 5? 5, 10, 15 and so on. Like that. 5, 10, 15 and my dear student, you tell me how many numbers will be there. That is a high, it is infinite. Infinite. Clearly it is infinite. Okay. That is why you see, let me take the fourth part of question number 3. Very important. We are discussing the question number 3. You see the fourth part. The set of animals living on the earth. That will be finite. Animals. All the animals on the earth you can count. That is why it will be finite. Now next, fifth part. The set of circles passing through the origin. Origin you must have to see. How many circles will pass through the origin? Let me take. This is the origin. How many circles? It will be the center. How many circles? How many circles will pass through the origin? You see. How many circles will pass? Draw the circles. How many circles will pass? We don't know how many circles will pass. Okay, that is why it is also a infinite set. My dear student, you must have to keep in mind. That is why it will also be infinite set. Let me take the another question number 4. Let me discuss. In the following state whether A is equal to B. Question number 4. Question number 4, you will see state whether A is equal to B. A is equal to B means both the sets will be equal. Now you see in the first part. First part means A. Let me take A, B, C, D. Already I told you same elements would be there. Elements may be repeated, but elements should be same. That is why the sets will be equal. Okay. A is here, A is also here. B is here, B is here. C is here, D is here. Both are equal. Both are equal sets. These are equal sets in the first part. Okay. Similarly, you see the second part. Let me take A is equal to, in the first set, 4, 8, 12, 16. Let me take B. Like that you can compare. 8, 4, 16 and 18. My dear student, 18 is here, 18 is not here. That is why A does not equal to B. Elements are not same. In both the sets, elements are not same because in the set B, 18 is here, but in the set A, 18 is not there. That is why these sets are not equal. Okay, let me take some other things. The other parts of it. Question number 3. Question number 4, third part. Third part, you see, what is that? A will be equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10. This is given, and B set is given. X such that X is a positive. X is a positive what? Even integer. And condition is there, X is less than or equal to 10. Okay. Positive even integers, my dear student, you see, positive even integers. Tell me its value. 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10. It is this one. 2, 4, 10. 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, 10. That is so, both A and B are equal. Because elements are same. Elements are same, that is why both the sets are equal. Like that, my dear student, you can discuss. Let me take the fourth part. That is also important of the same question, question number 4. I am discussing the very important portion in the sets. That is why fourth part, you see, A, set A. It is given in the set builder form. X is a multiple of 10. Tell me, x is a multiple of 10. 10 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए, ठीक है? मल्टीपल ऑफ 10. मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 क्या होगा भाई? 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. We don't know how many will be there. Set B will be there. Multiple of 10. X is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 I have taken. Okay, next, that is 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. My dear student, these are multiple of 10. 10, 20, here it is 15. 15, it is not a multiple of 10. That is why both sets means A does not equal to B. These are not equal sets. Okay? Very important things I am discussing with you. That is why you must have to see carefully. Question number 5. Dear student, you see the question number 5. Question number 5, very simple and very good question. Some sets are given in the roster form, some sets are given in the set builder form. Question: are the following pairs of sets equal? Equal. You will see each and every question you see in your book so that you will understand properly. I am giving you the answer only. Okay? That is why question you see in your book, NCERT book, 1.2 exercise. 1.2 exercise. Question number 5. Let me take first part. A is equal to what? 2 and 3 it is given. And set B, dear student, you see set B. Set B is x such that x is a solution. Solution of what? X is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6, it will be equal to 0. Let me take its solution separately. Suppose x square plus 5x plus 6, it will be equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 3x. You split the middle term and get the factorization. X plus 2 and plus 3 you take it out. Plus 2 it will be equal to 0. X plus 2 and x plus 3 it will be equal to 0. Either this one will be equal to 0, this one will be equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 will be equal to 0. What will be the values of x? Minus 2 and minus 3. That is why, my dear student, set B. Set B you are getting minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, are they equal? Here it is 2, here it is minus 2, here it is 3. That is so, A does not equal to B. It is not equal to B. That is why here it is given, are the following pairs of sets equal? No. इसमें answer आ जाएगा, that will be no. These are not equal. Now, second set you see. Second part of it, you see the second part. Carefully you understand, my dear student. I am taking the solution of each and every question so that you will be benefited. A. What is given A? X set. I told you many questions related with this one. X is a letter. Is a letter. X is a letter. What letter? In the word. In the word. What is the word? Follow. Double L O W. Follow. Let me take F L O W. These are the letters. Now set B. Set B, you see Y. Y is a letter. Y is a letter in the word. In the word, what word? Wolf. Wolf. Tell me what the words will be there. That will be F. Oh, let me write consecutively. W, O, L or F. My dear student, W is here, O is here, L is here, F is here. That is why both are equal sets. Yani ke A is equal to B. Both sets are equal. Both sets are equal, my dear student, in this part. Now let us take the question number 6. Question number 6 also you see. You solve the questions as per the condition. Okay, condition as per the formula. Definition I told you already. That is why you see question number 6. From the set given below, select equal set. We will select the equal set. Which sets will be equal? Now, you see A. First part, A. Let me take 2, 4, 8 and 12. These are the sets. Now you see any other set which has these elements. I think there is no any set which having these 4 elements, in my opinion. That is why you see, let me take B part. There is no set because we will make the pairs B set. B set is there 1, 2, 3 and 4. B and D will be here. You will have to make the pair 3, 1, 4 and 2. My dear student, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. That is why B will be equal to D. B and D are equal. B and D, both the sets are equal. Okay. One pair is this one. Pair. One pair is this one. B will be equal to D. Another pair you see. You see another pair E. This is first pair. Let me take the second pair, which may be equal. E. You see E minus 1 and 1. Another set G. G is also there, 1 or minus 1. I think this pair is also equal. G. Both are equal. Only these two sets are equal and these two sets are equal. Are equal. My dear student, each and every question I discuss with you with the proper solution as well as proper definition. That is why you must have to practice the questions. Some more questions, you collect the questions, you generate the questions, so that you will be benefited and practice time and again. Practice make a man perfect. Without the practice, nothing can be done. Like my video, share my video, press the icon so that my video will reach to you as soon as I will upload it. Thank you to all of you.